Today I will show you how to use product rule for derivatives. You will leave this video with a greater understanding of this technique. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. So when we look at another sort of form that we could encounter, where instead of having like product rule, having two functions multiplied together, we have two functions divided by each other. So we have f of x over g of x. Now we get a different sort of formula, but it follows this sort of rule. So we have g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x over g of x squared. Okay? So the way I remember this, and I think is a very helpful way, it's kind of a mnemonic, I think it's called. So we have a high and a low, right? High being the function on top, low being the function on the bottom. I've kind of this saying. When we're applying quotient rule, we do low d high minus high d low over low squared. So low and then d high is the derivative of the top function minus high d low, the derivative of the bottom function, over low squared. It's kind of a good way to remember it. Alright, let's look at an example. Alright, so for this example, we have x squared plus 1 over sine of x. So we kind of have two functions here, right? This x squared and this sine of x. So in this case, our f of x, our high function, is going to be x squared plus 1, and our g of x, or our low function, is going to be sine of x. Okay? Now, let's apply our rule. So, like the mnemonic I used earlier, we're going to do low times d high minus high times d low over low squared. Okay. So plugging in our values for this, we're going to have just sine of x times the derivative of f of x, which we can kind of think, since they're added together, we can think of them as two different derivatives. The derivative of x squared is going to be 2x. The derivative of 1, a constant number, is just going to be 0, so we don't have to worry about it. Minus x squared plus 1, the high function, times the derivative of the low. So the derivative of sine of x is just cosine of x. All of this is over our low function squared. And this is it. It's as simple as that. This is our answer. Doesn't appear that there's any simplification we could do. Maybe you could distribute the cosine, but other than that, not much. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below of what topic you'd like to see next. This is Dylan signing off. Hope you have a good day, and see you in the next one.